Every day when the sun rises, Alucoworld people begin to work for producing every piece of alucobond panels, from the selection of raw materials, to the detection, to the machine work, to the constant supervision and quality inspection by production line engineers. Everyone in Alucoworld has devoted 100% of their efforts. Before epidemic, almost every day foreigners in different countries visited and studied in our production workshop. Some of them came to inspect the factory before purchasing alucobond panels. Some came to check and arrange the delivery of finished alucobond panels. And some of foreign engineers came for technology study. Alucoworld expects that after epidemic, all countries can resume the vigorous engineering construction as soon as possible and make Alucoworld panels to be used in more construction projects in the world.